Hi everyone, so we're here with another video today, and it's regarding the sign of increased throttle or stop safely, and we would be showing you how to avoid that on the hilly areas, and why it shows up, and how we can avoid that, and what do we use in the hilly areas. So before we go into that, it would be great if you can subscribe to the channel, and subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any other questions or queries, you can ask them in the comments area. So right now I'm on a steeping road, slightly steep road, and if I just accelerate a little without moving. So this comes up when you're accelerating slowly, and the car is not picking up speed because of the hill. This shows up. It's a warning sign just to increase speed. Usually it's not that much of a hassle and you just need to accelerate as much or put the car in auto hold. By putting the car in auto hold, you can use this button over here, and then over there when you brake, so the peace sign comes up, the green peace sign, which is auto hold. This helps you maintaining the brake. So why we usually accelerate while in a idle state is because you're afraid of going back, of the car rolling back on a hilly or a steep road. So you usually accelerate a bit to keep the car in front. But so by using auto hold, so right now I'm not pressing anything, nor the brake, I'm not pressing anything, nor the brake, nor the accelerator. The auto hold is on, and in the green parking sign is on as well. So the car is in idle state without any brake or without any accelerator from my end. So this helps keep the car in an idle state. And when you want to accelerate, when you're clear of traffic in front on a steep road or on a hilly area, then you can accelerate as much as you want, and then you can move forward. By doing this, it puts less pressure on the engine, so you don't have to keep accelerating a little, throttling a little to move ahead, and it would only move ahead once you accelerate by yourself. For enabling the auto hold, the car needs to be in a moving state. You can turn it on and off from here, but when you turn it off, it automatically transfers to the electronic parking brake. When you're in a idle state, and you're on auto hold, and you turn off auto hold, it moves to the EPB, which is electronic parking brake. And when you want to turn it on, so you can just drive, and you can drive, and during the drive you can press the auto hold button, it would turn on, and then the green parking light would come up as well. So this is a great feature. It's part of the ESP, which is the electronic stability program, parking brake, and auto hold and downhill assist. So these are all great features of the HS and of all the new technological vehicles. So make use of it. Do not put pressure on the engine by throttling slightly on hilly areas. So use these features, and let us know what's your feedback, and if you found this video useful. There are many more videos like this, especially with regards to the infotainment system. So I'm putting the link on the top right. And you can go there and watch that video in case infotainment system. And please do subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video, and have a great day. Thank you for watching the video today, and look forward to hearing your comments in the comment section below.